Want a healthy betta? Learn step by step how to raise your betta in a plastic container. You can raise betta fish in plastic containers safely if you follow the right steps carefully. Betta fish stay healthy and lively when you care for them properly every day. Choose a slightly large container, around 3 gallons, so your betta has space to swim. Prepare clean, treated water and maintain a proper temperature for a healthy environment. Add some gravel or small stones. Bettas love hiding and exploring little spaces. Gently release your betta into the container and watch it explore and settle. Feed high-quality food daily and interact gently to build trust and happiness. Change water weekly. A clean tank keeps your betta active, healthy, and happy. Enjoyed this betta guide? Subscribe for more tips and tricks to keep your fish happy.